the left on I-43 south I-894 back by 41 and then keep to the left in 980 feet. In a quarter mile, keep to the left on I-43 south I-894 back by 41 and then keep to the left in 980 feet.
Alrighty, Milwaukee. 5 a.m. Heading north. We're making a turn to head a little west, then north. Heading up to Merrill, Wisconsin. I-39, Wisconsin, northbound. So we're starting to get a little bit of sprinkles. Still nice and cloudy. So probably a bit of rain for the day. We're about 40 minutes away from our delivery. Yep, we got rain all to our north, which we're heading into. So hopefully they have a nice dry place where we can take these trailers off at. Then we will see where dispatch sends us next. Well, we got ourselves unloaded. And you'll see by the pictures what an adventure that was. We are here in Merrill, Wisconsin. We're at the little truck stop right here, little BP. Right here on Brandenburg Avenue, right off of US 51. And I wish this camera could really bring justice to the landscape. Well, you know, the fall colors already started. We had a clean deck. Now we're just waiting for our next load.